How to remove someone from an Instagram group chat. This tutorial shows you how to kick someone out of a group conversation directly from the app. First, open Instagram and tap on the message icon at the top right of the home screen. After that, tap on the group chat you want to manage. From there, tap on the group name or info icon at the top to open the group details. Right here, you'll see a list of all the members currently in the group. Find the person you want to remove and tap on their name. Next up, a menu will appear with a few options. Tap on Remove from Group. Moving on, confirm the action when prompted, and that person will be removed from the group immediately. From here, keep in mind that only the group admin has the ability to remove members. If you don't see the remove option, you may not be the admin of that group. Finally, once removed, that person will no longer be able to see any new messages sent in the group, but they will still be able to see the conversation history from before they were removed. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.